Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning for me. It's 9:45 in the morning on Thursday here at my house. Welcome to my house, and welcome to our very first English class online. And I hope everybody's doing okay. Everybody's fine. I'm okay. I'm looking out the window this morning, and all I see outside is fog, fog, and fog. I was kind of hoping it was going to be sunny, but it's not sunny. It's only foggy. Oh well, that's just how it is. Anyway, my first question of the day, of course, to you is, how are you? I'm fine. You can also say, I'm fine, or you can say, I'm not fine. It's foggy outside. It's raining outside. It's cold outside. Or you could say, I'm not fine because I have an owie on my baby finger. Or you can say, I'm fine. My mom made me palatschinken for breakfast. Yeah. So, my question again is, how are you? That's good. That's good. Super. Before we begin, I'm going to tell you what we're doing. We're going to have a couple of games. We're going to look at some of the cards that we did here, for example, with the Maple Leaf cards and the weather cards. And then we're going to play 3 games, probably. And you get to play along in the game. It's not just something that you can watch, but you can also do something in the game. And I'll explain that to you then later on. But first, like every good English class, we start with our promise. One hand up, one hand here on the heart, and the heart right here. That's right. And you say, "Oh, Danny, I promise." Remember, it's promise and not promise. Okay, so, "Oh, Danny, I promise, by the hair on my head, by the nose on my face, and by the elbow on my arm, that I will look, listen, learn, and speak, blah, 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 because you can speak along the things that I say." Okay? So, I promise to speak. A hoogity boogity boogity. So, very good. We're going to begin with what we learned about 2 weeks ago before. I think we learned this just after Halloween. We did this. And it was maple leaf, yellow and red. Winter is coming. It's time for bed. So, I'll say it, you say it. Okay, so maple leaf, yellow and red. Winter is coming. It's time for bed. Very good. Let's do it again, a little bit quicker though. Maple leaf, yellow and red. Maple leaf. Winter is coming. It's time for bed. Winter is coming. It's time for bed. Let's see if we can do it. Very slowly. Maple leaf, yellow and red. Winter is coming. It's time for bed. Again, a little bit quicker. Maple leaf, yellow and red. Winter is coming. It's time for bed. And it's time for bed. So, even faster. Maple leaf, yellow and red. Winter is coming. It's time for bed. Now maybe you can say it yourself. Maple leaf. Again. Ready? Very good. Super job. Okay, so that is our maple leaf, yellow. And you remember the maple leaf. Maple leaf is what comes on the Canadian flag. And I come from England? No. I come from Wales? No. I come from the USA? No. I come from Canada, land of maple syrup and ice hockey. That's our place. Super. Great job. Now, we're going to look at our other cards that we did. You remember the cards we had for the weather, and I had always the question, How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather? It is sunny. Yeah. How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather? It's foggy. How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather? It's snowing. Very good. How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather? It's windy. How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather? It's a mixture of sun and rain. So we have sun and rain. How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather? It's cloudy. How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather? It's mostly cloudy. It's mostly cloudy. We've got more clouds and very little sun. And then I dropped my cards. How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather? It's partially sunny, or even, I could even say mostly sunny, because there's more sun than clouds, right? So partially sunny or mostly sunny. How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather? It's stormy. It's stormy with lightning and thunder. And when you have storms, you also sometimes have this. How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather? It's hailing. It's hailing. And if you remember, hail, it's not rain and it's not snow. It's the ice that comes down and goes tuck, 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 tuck. That's right. And the game we're going to play very soon is with these cards. So we have here again, sunny, foggy, snowing, windy, a mixture of sun and rain. Can you say that? A mixture of sun and rain. That's right. It's cloudy. This is the one you can remember if you've got a friend or your mother's name is Claudia, then you can remember cloudy. Claudia sounds the same. This one is mostly cloudy. More clouds, not very much sun. Partially sunny or mostly sunny. Stormy with lightning. This is lightning here. Yeah. And hailing. So the game we're going to play is called 1, 2, or 3. And you're going to see on your screen, on your tablet or on your laptop or on your computer or on your telephone, 3 boxes. Box number 1, box number 2, and box number 3. Each one will have a picture. For example, one might be a mouse. And I'm going to say, where's the mouse? And then you have to point your finger at the right picture. Okay? You point your finger at the picture so long, and then it goes green if you're pointing your finger at the correct one. So if this is the mouse here, and you point your finger at it, and then it turns green, then you get 1 point. So there's going to be a warm-up, and then there's going to be 12 words from the weather. Okay? So it's really easy to play, and you have to see if you get all 12 correct. Because every time you get 1 correct, you get 1 point. If you have 2 correct, you have 2 points. If you have 3 correct, you have 3 points. So, look at the pictures, and it'll explain how it works. Here we go. So, in this game, all you have to do is point your finger at the right number. Is it number 1, 2, or 3? For example, with this one, where's the mouse? That's easy. It's on 1. So, that's easy. Are you ready to begin? Good. Let's do it. Today's weather is sunny. Today's weather is cloudy. Today's weather is foggy. Where is foggy? That's right. Today's weather is snowing. It's snowing. Today's weather is partially sunny. Partially sunny. It's number 3. Today's weather is mostly cloudy. Where is mostly cloudy? That's right, number 2. Today's weather is windy. Today's weather is hailing. Hailing. Today's weather is stormy. Thunder and lightning, stormy. Today's weather is a mixture of sun and rain. Sun and rain. Number 2, that's right. Where's the lightning? The lightning from the sky. That's right. And last but not least, which one of these 3 is the maple leaf? Is it 1, 2, or 3? It's 3. Number 1's cherry and number 2 is oak. Oh, you're finished. Super. Okay. I was just having my coffee while you were doing your game there. I hope you all got 12 points for that game. It's an easy game, but still good fun. Game 2. Game 2 is not so easy. It's tricky. Game 2 is tricky. Again, you have 3 fields, 1, 2, and 3. This time, you do not see the picture. You only see question marks. Question marks in German is a Fragezeichen. And you have to guess, or you have to remember, where was the mouse? Where was it? Was the mouse here, or was the mouse here, or was the mouse here, or was it here? I don't remember. You have to guess. You only have 4 seconds, and then the picture show. If you remember and you get it right, you get a point. There's going to be 11 words in total. So I hope you can do it. Have a great time. Have fun. No cheating. Although I don't know how you can cheat except for playing the video back again and playing again, which is good. While you're playing, I'll watch, listen, and drink my coffee. Good luck. So now this game is a little bit more tricky. You have to guess under which one the right word is hiding. For example, here, is mouse under number 1, number 2, or number 3? What do you think? Where is mouse? It's under number 1. Okay, that's the warm-up. Here we go. Where is sunny? Under 1, 2, or 3? It's under number 2. Where is cloudy? Where is cloudy? It's under number 3, that's right. But how about this? Where is foggy? Foggy. There it is, under number 1. Where is snowing? Snowing. There it is, also under number 1. Where is partially sunny? Partially sunny. There it is. But where is stormy? Stormy. Yep. Where is a mixture of sun and rain? A mixture of sun and rain. Good. Where is lightning? The lightning from the sky. That's right, number 1. Where is the maple leaf? The maple leaf. Under number 3. Perfect. You guys remembered. Good. But where is winter? Where is winter? under number 2. And last but not least, just for some fun, where are the stinky socks? The stinky socks. There they are, under number 1. The other 2 are blue jeans or t-shirt. You're back again. I hope everybody was good in the game. There was 11 points you could make in that game. Did you make all 11 points? Very good. I think even 12 points with the mouse at the beginning. So, now, game 3. Game 3 is very, very easy. I'm the master. My name is not Francie. My name is Danny. And when I say Danny says, then you do what I say. For example, Danny says stand up. You stand up. Danny says sit down. You sit down. So, are you ready? Here we go. If I don't say Danny says, don't do it. Don't do it, okay? If I say sit down, don't sit down if I don't say Danny says before. So here we go. Danny says stand up. Super. Danny says clap your hands. Danny says wash your hands. I'll always wash my hands before I go to bed. Danny says wash your hands with ketchup. Danny says sit down. Stand up. Danny says stand up. Danny says jump. Danny says kiss your baby finger. Danny says kiss your knee. Yeah. Danny says kiss your elbow. That's kind of hard. Danny says kiss your belly button. Clap your hands. Danny says clap your hands. Very good. Danny says sit down. Danny says go to sleep. Danny says snore. Stand up. Danny says stand up. Danny says look at me. Danny says don't look at me. Danny says look at me. Very good. Danny says breathe in. Danny says breathe out. Boys and girls, Danny says game over. Fantastic job. Very good. I hope you had a good time. Boys and girls, I'm going to send you 3 worksheets on paper over the computer that your mom or your dad can print out on the printer. One worksheet is for the boys and girls who are 5, 6, and 7 years old. Okay? It's the kindergarten grade 1 Volksschule sheet, okay? Mostly just drawing pictures, okay? You can listen to music when you're drawing the pictures, of course. And the other 2 worksheets are for the bigger boys and girls, for the boys that are 8, 9, 10, and 11. If you're 7 and you want to do it, no problem, you can, okay? But there's also some writing involved. And the worksheets all have to do with the weather cards. How is the weather today? All those kind of things. Now, boys and girls, please have your moms and dads printed out. Please do your worksheets, because I promised my groups that I saw before the lockdown on Monday, and all the groups I did not see on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I promise you now here on this video, if you bring me all of your worksheets, and you bring me all your worksheets and say, look at Danny, all my worksheets, I got all my worksheets here. I'll look at your worksheets, and if they're good, you get a surprise. Maybe you get gummy bears, or you get Smarties, but like a bigger box of Smarties or something, or a pencil, or something cool, okay? This time, this is your English homework, so please do your worksheets. Fantastic. Okay, now, boys and girls, here's your sweetie. Oh, okay. How am I supposed to give you a sweetie through the video? I have an idea. I'll eat it. So, put it in your mouth. And you go, oh, Danny, Danny, Danny. Thank you. So, oh, Danny, Danny, Danny. It's time for me to go. Goodbye. And I'll see you guys in the next lesson too. Okay? Be good and stay happy and stay healthy. And don't forget to always wash your hands. Goodbye from me. Ciao.